Welcome. In this video, you will learn how to seek the full text of an article in a journal, magazine, or newspaper. If our library does not own access to the article, you are able to request a copy of it through our Interlibrary Loan system. From the library homepage, select Interlibrary Loan. Before you create an Interlibrary Loan request, conduct a search in Journal Finder. The article you desire may be in full text in one of our databases, and therefore a request is not needed. Instead, you can access it directly. In this tool, you are seeking to find out if we have the journal title, not the article itself. Let's search an example. I have two articles that I want to seek the full text of. The first article is in the Journal of Higher Education, Volume 46, Number 3. Paste the title of your journal in the search box in Journal Finder and conduct a search. The journal title appears in bold under the publication title. You will see references to time periods and the name of a linked database. Pay close attention to the date range and enter the database to search for your article by title. Our article is dated 1975. In this case, the only database I would enter and find the article full text would be JSTOR Arts and Sciences, because 1930 to 2011 is the date range for that database. Let's search for my second article. Again, I'm going to copy the title of the journal that the article appears in and conduct a search. This report tells me that there are no search results for the advances in mental health. I know at this point that any article that is in this journal that I would like will need to be requested through Interlibrary Loan. The Interlibrary Loan system tracks your individual requests for articles and electronically asks other participating libraries to lend the article to you. If you have not created a request before, you will need to enter your username and password for the university, and you will be prompted to create your account. The form will appear to change your personal information. Click Submit and your account has been created. Once you log in, the menu for requests appears on your left. In the new request area, you can manually enter a request for an article or a book by selecting the appropriate form type. Look carefully at the required information on the form and make sure it's completely filled in and accurate. Then click Submit Request. View Outstanding Requests provides information about all of the requests that have not been filled. Once you receive an email that your item has been placed in your Interlibrary Loan account, log in and select Electronically Received Articles. This is an example of a request that has been filled. Note the first column contains a transaction number for the request. The second column is the link to download the PDF file. Looking to the far right, you see an expires date. The system will hold filled article requests for 30 days. After 30 days, access to the PDF file will disappear and you will need to request the item again. Due to this restriction, make sure you have a system for organizing and saving your research. When you click the transaction number, you're given all the information about that request. In the upper left-hand corner, you see options to manage requests. Interlibrary Loan and Journal Finder are two tools that work in tandem with some of our databases. You will find links provided in search results that will search Journal Finder for your item and links to request it through Interlibrary Loan. Many ask, how long does this take? Books arrive in a week depending on when it was requested. Articles can take a very short time or a long time depending on how rare the article is and what library fills the request. Some articles arrive the same day. Remember, search Journal Finder first to locate articles. Never pay for an article and plan ahead so that you have time to access resources through Interlibrary Loan. Thanks for watching and use your library resources, including your library liaison. St. Francis University Library.